Hi and welcome to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I appreciate it. If this is your first time here, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. In today's video, let's take a look at some really relaxing and cool, neutral, natural bedrooms. Creating a beautiful neutral bedroom is all about using a soft, subtle color palette and incorporating texture and pattern to add interest and depth to it. Now, if you are interested in really creating a beautiful, calm, neutral bedroom, I'm going to give you some tips on how to effectively and easily do it. The first tip would be to choose a neutral color palette. You are trying to create a neutral bedroom, so this is kind of an obvious one. Start by selecting a neutral color palette for your bedroom in the shades that you love. If you are thinking of going white, if you are thinking of going cream, beige, gray, really soft pastels, there are so many different options, even though it's all in a neutral color palette. Some people say, oh, I don't like the neutral look because it's very boring, it's all the same color, but really there are so many different shades. You know, there are some shades that are more popular and that you see more often, but you really have a wide gamut to choose from. Now, these colors will create a really serene and calming atmosphere in your bedroom. It'll be a perfect retreat for you, somewhere to just really tuck away and relax. Tip number 2, play with textures. Now, texture is key when creating a neutral bedroom because a lot of the neutral shades kind of blend in together, and you do need something to break it up and really give your eyes some interest. Add cozy layers of textures with maybe a chunky knit throw, a fluffy rug, and soft bedding. This will help to add interest and depth to your space. So a third tip would be to mix and match patterns. Mixing and matching patterns is a great way to add visual interest to your neutral bedroom. Choose patterns in similar colors to create a really cohesive look. And so you always hear that phrase a lot, but basically what that means is if you're going with, let's say, a taupe color in your neutral bedroom, you could have some throw pillows that are like a plaid type pattern, but the colors being used are still that taupe pattern. You could have maybe a rug that has geometric designs, but still is going to be in a cream and taupe color palette. So what you're doing is you're giving your eyes a lot of different objects and things in your room to look at. Your room doesn't look flat or boring or blah. There's a lot going on, but it's not visually overstimulating because they're still in the same color palette. So consider using stripes, checks, florals just to add texture and interest, and it's a really good way to spice up your room without it going overboard. Tip number 4, incorporate natural materials. Adding natural materials like wood, linen, and cotton can help bring warmth and texture to your bedroom. Consider adding a wooden headboard, a linen duvet cover, or cotton curtains. It just really ties everything in and it gives you a really well manicured look. Tip number 5, keep it simple. A neutral bedroom is all about simplicity. You're not going really ornate and over the top. Keep your decor minimal and clutter-free and use a few carefully chosen pieces to add interest to your space. Maybe some of your most valued possessions as far as home decor goes, you know, as that is, but just a few things so it's not overly done, because sometimes that will clash with the whole look of a neutral space. unless you're going like neutral maximalist or neutral eclectic, and then that would actually work pretty nicely. The last tip for you, number 6, is to add greenery. Bring in some greenery, such as a small plant or even a vase of fresh flowers. Fresh flowers I love because since your room is all in one specific color palette, it adds just pops of color there without being too much. It's a really simple and affordable way to add some interest and freshness to your space. So envision this, a neutral bedroom, let's say in gray or taupe, and you have shades in that color family, but then you go in with pops of succulents around your room or even a palm plant. It just gives almost an accent color for the room, and it makes the room just look so much more lively. So by following these really simple tips, you can create a beautiful and calming neutral bedroom that is both cozy and stylish. Alright, so here is something I haven't done in a while. I want to show you a few of my favorites, starting with this room. This room is elegant. It's very classy. Look at that really beautiful chandelier, and of course that ornate mirror standing or leaning against the wall. I just thought it was so pretty. I also love this room. It reminds me of a really, really elegant, luxurious hotel. Are you guys getting that vibe from this room? I definitely am. Okay, so now to show you something I have a love and hate relationship with. I love the look of like cut wood, kind of stacked up, ready to go in the fireplace, but something about it in the bedroom just gives me the creeps because all I think about are bugs and spiders. Let me know if I'm the only one. Okay, so last but not least, I just love this room. It seems very cool, very kind of modern, cutting edge, but still really cozy and comfortable. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.